Alright, so this is gonna be soda challenge slash burp challenge, I guess. I'm gonna see how much soda I can drink, see if I can get a good burp out of it. Alright, big ass. This is a big cup to me. To me, it's a big cup.
Your legs go.
Okay. I know. It looked kind of funny. It's ice chunks.
Fire department, the other grandma, poison control, dentist. You left off the White House and the.
Yeah, you gonna get a brain freeze.
Okay, maybe I'm overreacting. It's just this my first night away from the girls overnight.
You can't stop. You gotta keep going.
Oh, I'm gonna miss my girls.
Go, go.
I'm a pussy, bro. The fuck?
I'll miss you.
Ooh.
Sorry, Kimmy. Now, you all know that while I'm gone, Uncle Jesse. Oh, sorry. That's meantime, I tell my mom, I really want to go to school, but she calls me in sick anyway. Here comes the genius of your Uncle Jay. What I did was, 10 minutes later, I convinced my mom that I'm all better. So she still with me to school. They weren't expecting me.
Oh shit. Oh